In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your email account in Outlook 2010. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a bit of guidance through the process, we've got you covered. Now let's dive right in. To start, ensure that you're on your PC. Outlook 2010 is what we will be using today. Go ahead and open Outlook 2010. You should see its familiar interface pop up on your desktop. Once you're in, look towards the top left-hand corner and find the File tab. It's your gateway to various settings and, in this case, setting up your email. Click on File and you'll see a handy side menu appear. From the options listed, choose Info. Info brings up critical information and settings options for managing your email accounts in Outlook. As you navigate here, you shouldn't feel overwhelmed. Everything is quite intuitive once you get used to it. Next, look for the Account Settings drop-down menu. Click on Account Settings and a dialog box will appear. This is where you can manage multiple email accounts should you have them. For adding a new email, you'll want to select New. Now let's get your email details sorted. Outlook will prompt you for your name, email address, and password. Enter these details as accurately as possible. This lets Outlook know who you are and helps it to communicate with your email provider. If you have a complex password, it might help to write it down first or use a password manager to ensure accuracy when entering it. With your essential details entered, it's time to choose your server type. You have three options at this point: IMAP, POPI3, and Exchange. Understanding what each server type offers can help you make the best choice. IMAP synchronizes your email across different devices. If you check email on both your computer and your phone, this is a great option. POPI3, on the other hand, downloads your emails to your computer. If you tend to work from one device only and want local access to your messages, POPI3 might suit your needs. And lastly, Exchange is often used in business environments as it's designed to work with Microsoft's Exchange server, providing robust features like calendar sharing. Once you've selected your preferred server type, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Outlook will take a moment to configure the server settings, and this may take a bit of time depending on your connection. You'll get confirmation that your account settings are being tested, a vital step to ensure everything is connected correctly. And there you have it. Once the test concludes and everything checks out, you'll be ready to send and receive emails using Outlook 2010. Thanks for following along today. We hope this setup is seamless for you. Stay tuned.